if pth term of an AP is 1 upon Q and the qth term is 1 upon P, prove that the sum of the first PQ terms must be half times PQ plus 1. Okay. Now, given pth term AP is equal to 1 upon Q and AQ is 1 upon P. So, using this, let us find common difference and the first term. Now, A plus P minus 1 times D is 1 upon Q 1 and A plus Q minus 1 with D is 1 upon P. Okay. Now, solving 1 and 2. Now, what we can write it? A plus P minus 1 with D is 1 upon Q and A plus Q minus 1 with D is 1 upon P. Negative, negative and negative. Okay. So, what we are getting now? We are getting P minus 1 minus Q minus 1 with D is equal to 1 upon Q minus 1 upon P. Is it clear? And solving this part, what we are having? P minus Q with D is equal to P minus Q upon PQ. D is equal to 1 upon PQ. Is it clear? Now, substituting value of D is equal to 1 upon PQ in equation 1. So, here you can either put on in 1 or in 2. Okay. So, I am putting in equation 1. So, what we are having now? A is equal to, we can write it 1 upon Q negative of P minus 1 with D. Now, this becomes A is equal to 1 upon Q minus P minus 1 with 1 upon PQ. Okay. Now, on solving, what we will be getting? We will be getting A is equal to 1 upon Q negative of P upon PQ. Okay. Negative of 1 upon Q P upon PQ and positive of 1 upon PQ plus 1 upon PQ. A is 1 upon PQ. Okay. So, what we are getting now? We get D, one term, and then we get A as the first term. Okay. Common difference and first term, both we are getting. Now, we have to prove that sum of the first PQ terms. Now, what we have to find? Now, to find SPQ, sum of the first PQ terms. Now, SPQ is equal to PQ upon 2 twice of A, plus PQ minus 1 with common difference D. Now, this is PQ upon 2 with 2 times 1 upon PQ, because A we are getting 1 upon PQ, plus now PQ minus 1 upon PQ, PQ upon 2 with 2 times 1 upon PQ plus 1 minus 1 upon PQ. Now, this is PQ upon 2 with 1 plus 1 upon PQ. PQ upon 2, PQ plus 1 upon PQ, and this is equal to 1 upon 2 PQ plus 1. So, what we have to prove? Half PQ plus 1. hence proved.